this video, we'll look at how we create an estimate, starting with how we would add our plans in order to produce a takeoff for our estimate. So the first thing we do is we go to estimations, hit new estimation, add a name for our estimate. Let's just call this one Test Street. Estimation type, select new build from there, but you can add in your own estimation categories. Client, I'll just select sample client from the list. You can also select an estimation template if you've got any created. So I'll select this one here, which I've got from my templates menu. You can also add in any markup in this section, and obviously the site address details, but I'll just leave that blank for the moment. And we hit create. Okay, so the next screen shows that we can upload our plans into our estimate, so let's do that. So I'll just drag my plans into here, hit next. You can see they're uploaded into this screen. Now what you want to do is rotate them so they're showing in the correct view. And then select each plan, hit next. Now the next screen that will come up is showing you the plans, and it'll ask you to calibrate to scale. So if you zoom in on each plan, you should be able to find the scale. And you can see this one's at 1 to 100, and it's got this option here already of 1 to 100 at A3. Now what you can also do is, if that scale isn't shown in this scale drop box here, you can add your own custom scale just by typing it in and hitting create. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you need to create your own scale, if for whatever reason the sheet size isn't shown here or the scale isn't shown in this drop down menu, what you can do is select custom from the sheet size, and then what that will do is it'll ask you to calibrate the scale by taking a measurement from the plan. So I'll just pick this one here for example, and we take our line from here to here. We know that's 5300, so we'll enter that here, and let's hit next, and that'll take us to our next plan. And again, we can check the scale just to make sure that it's either the same as the previous plan, or if we need to do a custom scale again, we'll leave this at 1 to 100 as it's shown here, and we'll just hit next. And now we'll be able to start our takeoff section, which we'll cover in the next video. Thanks for watching.